Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this video, I will sharing 25 powerful Windows run commands that will be boosting your computer productivity on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Without further delay, let's get started. So for opening Run window, either simply press Windows key and R key together on your keyboard. This will open up Run window here. Or simply right-click the Start menu icon, then click on Run here. This will open up Run window here. These both method you can open Run window over here. Now, let's run all the 25 powerful run commands. If you want to open any of the drives in your PC, you can just run these commands over Run window. For example, if you want to open C drive, just type C: on the Run window. This will open C drive directly. Also, if you want to open D drive, then just type D: on the Run window. This will open D drive directly. Next command is Calc. This will open up Calculator on your Windows 11 or 10. Next command is MSTST. This will open up Remote Desktop Connection. Here, you enter computer name which one you want to connect remotely. Next command is PSR. This will open up Step Recorder on your Windows 11 or 10. In this, you can record anything from your computer. Next command is Task Manager. This will open up Task Manager window. This will list all apps and background processes currently running on your PC. If you want to close any of them, just select and click on End Task. Next command is MRT. This will open up Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. This tool scans for and automatically removes prevalent malicious software. Here, click Next and select Type of Scan and click Next to start the scan. Next command is desk.cpl. This will open up display settings on your PC. Here, you manage all the display-related settings. Next command is regedit. This will open up Registry Editor window. Here, you can view or edit your computer registry. Next command is services.msc. This will open up Services window. From here, you can stop or start or disable any of the services if you want. Next command is perfmon.msc. This will open up Performance Monitor window. Here, you can monitor performance of your computer. Next command is dccw. This will open up Display Color Calibration window. Here, you can adjust your display color calibration using this feature. Next command is cleanmg. This will open up Disk Cleanup window. Here, you can select all the unwanted files and delete it from the system. Next command is resmon. This will open up Resource Monitor window. In this, you can find what all resources are currently running on your PC. Next command is ncpa.cpl. This will open up Network Connection window. Here, you can diagnose or disable your network adapter. Also, you can change IP address from here. Next command is appwiz.cpl. This will open up Programs and Features window. Here, it will list all the installed apps, and if you want uninstall any of them, just select and uninstall. Also, you can turn on or off any of the Windows feature here. For adding, just check and click OK. And for removing, just uncheck, click OK. Next command is firewall.cpl. This will open up Windows Defender Firewall window. Here, you can manage firewall settings, like you can enable it or disable it, or you can set any kind of policies and exceptions. Next command is diskmanagement.msc. This will open up Disk Management window. Here, you can shrink the volume, you can create the partition, also you can delete the partition. Next command is devmgmt.msc. This will open up Device Manager window. Here, you can manage all kind of devices and drives, like you can update them or disable them or uninstall them from here. Next command is Control. This will open up Control Panel on your computer. Next command is OSK. This will open up on-screen keyboard on your computer. Next command is MSConfig. This will open up System Configuration. Here, you can manage startup of your computer. You can manage boot options from here. You can manage services from here. You can manage startup from here, and also other tools you can use from here. Next command is MSInfo32. This will open up System Information window. Here, you can find all kind of details about your computer, like OS name, processor, BIOS mode, RAM, etc. And here, you can find all the hardware resources, and here, you can find all the components, and here, you can find all the software environment. Next command is Log Off. This will log off your system immediately. Next command is Shutdown/S. This will shut down your system. Next and final command is Shutdown/R. This will restart your system. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.